Welcome to this brief video lecture on the foundations of our public advocacy course, an intertwining rhetoric and public advocacy. Essentially, what is rhetoric? And what does rhetoric have to do with public advocacy? Let's use a very broad definition of rhetoric. According to Keith and Lundberg, rhetoric is the study of producing discourses and interpreting how, when, and why those discourses are persuasive. Throughout this course, we will look at how the art of persuasion is used to affect and influence regional and global citizenship. Now, I use the word citizenship because we can think of public advocacy as a powerful tool to help enhance the lives of our society, whether it be on the small, local scale or more expansive scale. Don't let the news media make rhetoric a bad word, because it's not. When we hear the word rhetoric on political news programs, it's often associated with a negative perspective. This is simply not accurate. Rather, it's a word that the media may use entirely incorrectly. In this course, we will defy the negative nature of rhetoric and instead use it as a tool to change the world for the better. As you read this unit's required chapters and get your hands dirty with the module's concepts, I want you to think of how you will use rhetoric and public speaking to do the following. First, how can we use rhetoric to help solve problems in our society, or at the least improve on society's weaknesses? Second, how can we use public discourse, speaking, symbols, and other forms of communication to persuade our publics to join our cause? Third, how can we observe, interpret, and critique rhetorical discourses? Finally, we're going to use 21st century technology to help make these changes more persuasive and effective.